Welcome to the Strategic Leadership and Management training. Under Module 1, we are going to look at essentials of strong leadership, learning outcomes to define leadership, to explore the key essential elements of leadership, to understand leadership and its impact in an organization, also to identify the keys to successful motivation, and lastly to discuss the leadership styles and effective delegation techniques. Our quote of the day is: watch your thoughts, they become words. Watch your words, they become actions. Watch your actions, they become habits. Watch your habits, they become character. Watch your character, for it becomes your destiny. This quote is in line with our presentation today on the essentials of leadership. According to Alexander Tehir, managers change the people to fit the system. Leaders change the system to fit the people. What is leadership? Leadership is the activity of influencing people to strive willingly for group objectives. That is according to Ulrich. The process of influencing the activities of an individual or group in efforts towards goal achievement in a given situation. Leadership is a non-routine event that occurs where there is need for discretion, judgment between alternatives. In other words, another definition is that leadership occurs when one person attempts to influence the behavior of an individual or group up, down, or sideways in the organization, regardless of the reason. It may be for personal goals or for the goals of others, and these goals may or may not be congruent with organizational goals. In essence, according to Hsieh and Campbell, is that leadership is influence. That means there can only be one manager, but anyone can be a leader of our group. Just to make an example, you might find that as you are in leadership position within the Ministry of Health, you are supervising, say, about 20 staff members. You are their manager. And then now, you might find that these 20 staff members, they could be leaders in different fields. For instance, one could be good or could lead in sports, one could lead in motivation. So that's what is meant that there can be only one manager, but anyone can be a leader of our group. Remember, we said the definition of leadership in simple terms is just to have influence. Our next session will be on key essential elements or competencies of leadership.